Video number 49, graphing rational functions, which is just like video 48, except this is a little bit more difficult because we have larger polynomials. We have to factor to find the vertical asymptotes. You factor the denominator, x equals 8, x equals -1. There you go. Horizontal asymptote, what's happening as x gets larger? Well, 4x, 4, 7x, and 8 become insignificant, therefore 1x squared over 1x squared is 1. Alright. Intercept, 0 for x gives us -1/3 for y. There's the point on the graph. 0 for y basically means when will the numerator be 0? When x is 2. Therefore 2 comma 0 is the x-intercept. Alrighty then, let's take a look. We are going to take a look at what's going on in this region of the graph, what's going on here, and what's going on there. Well, that means we need to plug in -2 for x. And we're going to go back to this step. That's going to give us -4 for the numerator square, which is 16. And then -2 here is going to give us -10 times -1, which of course is -10. So about -1.5 if you plug in -2. So we're going to go down about 1.5 when you plug in -2. Okay, plug in -3. What are you going to get? Well, -3 plugged in here is -5 squared, which is 25. -3 over here, -11 times -2, which is roughly what? 22. -22. So about -1. So -3 comma -1. So then what you have here is you have this graph. It's going to continue this way, and of course we're going to go along the vertical asymptote this way. So you have roughly this sketch here on the left side. Now we're going to go to the middle region. Plug in 5. What do you get? That's 3 squared, which is 9 for the numerator. And then that's what? -3 times 6, which is -18. So about -1/2 when you plug in 5. So 5 comma -1/2. Plug in 6. We're going to have 6 squared. 6 minus 2 squared is 4, 16, right? Because 4 squared. Plug in, what are we plugging in? 6. So 6 minus 8 is -2 times 7, which is -14. So roughly -1. So 6 comma around -1. So we're going to get this action here. We're going to go along the vertical asymptote there, and then of course we're going to go along the vertical asymptote over here. Alright, now we're going to find out what's going on the right side. So we're going to plug in 9 for x. That's going to give us 7 squared, which is what, 49? For the numerator, denominator is going to be 1 times 10, which is 10, so about 4.9. So we got 9 comma 4.9. Well, there's 3, 4, there's 5, so about 5 right there. And then we plug in 10. We're going to have 10 minus 2 squared, which is 64. And then 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 times 11 is 22. So roughly 3 when you plug in 10. So we're going to go up to about 3 there. So you can already see that we're going to get something right around something like this. That'll give you your graph for graphing rational functions. Any questions or concerns? Please send me an email, and of course, good times.